that's how I be doing it. Got the GTRs over here. Clean, guys, very clean. Totally gutted. This is EK.
Yeah, because I have my door here. I got
K20.
Fresh it up.
Yeah.
So all he did was, he didn't prepare anything, all he did is start spraying?
Yeah, nice setup. It's gutted.
Was that recently?
Look at this interior. Look at that. Look at this exhaust right here. Damn. I want to hear this. Listen to this. Cars are going. Jake, you good? All right. My son's waiting right there. Take a look at this color, guys. This paint. I don't know which one y'all like, but comment down below. Which blue would you go for? This one right here or this one right here? They both look good. This blue I like better though, actually. The CS. Yeah, the CS one. Well, this one looks good too. Well, this is... Oh, true. This both CS, yeah. Yeah.
I love it.
Damn GT3.
Bottom out right now.
92. This is one of the cars that I wanted to get before.
The turbo V8. The storage on it. I mean, they did
Take a look at that.
Yeah, there's a whole back for storage.
It's lip kit.
Yeah, but like the whole. I put my whole golf clubs back here for a super car that's in
Check this out, guys. E92. Beautiful. I like the rims on that. So those are BMW stock rims. They look good. I'm telling you, this is one of those cars that I wanted to get before. It's a V8. Look at that hood. It has that hump. Looks good, guys. So, okay, so then that's not the original color then?
Nah, the original color gunmetal.
Gunmetal. Alright.
Yeah. The
Yeah, man, I love it, yo.
They like, you know, like gray, the regular BMW rims.
Yeah.
And I got the floating caps. So
Oh shit.
Oh,
plug in.
yeah.
Yeah, so no matter
Yeah.
what, they're always up. Yeah.
That's what's up.
Paint fucking correct.
Brother, yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all can follow my boy, but you take it in and hook you up. I wanted that spoiler.
The spoiler right here. There you guys have it. That's the meet, the GS Motor meet at Garden State Mall area. Met pretty cool peeps here with G82s. So I'm gonna show you guys their cars right now. So we got the Brooklyn Gray G80. It is. So we got the Brooklyn G82. But if anything, I'll come by over here.
Yeah, we're gonna be over here.
Alright. So there goes the G82. Another G82 right here. Clean. 23, right? 23 and 22. Right? Alright. Alright, fellas. By the way, guys, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day to my wife, to my mom's, my in-law. Nah, I'm gonna go right here in 4. Yeah, I take 4. But yeah, so that's the Garden State GS Motor meet every Sunday. This is gonna be happening every Sundays up to October. What's going on, guys? We here at Michael's residence, waiting for one more mother, which is Gletta. She's not here, so I don't know. Are we waiting for Gletta? Okay, hurry up. We're waiting for you. Come on, Andy.
Oh, you serve it to me. Andy, toss it in there.
Whoa! Whoa! Be careful of the car.
I was about to hit the car.
No, be careful.
How dare you hit my mother? I didn't hit it. I almost hit it. I got it, Andy. What are you doing here? Nobody hits mommy's car.
That's right. What's up?
I'm gonna pull an Andy moment.
Ooh, you hit the car.
Then a basketball. Then now a birdie. That's a birdie. I got 1v1 here. I got it.
So we're going
Right out though.
Sixers. Boo, Celtics.
No, Celtics are gonna win. Okay, car, move. My Sixers win, Chicago
Who? Chicago's not in.
Oh, they lost already? They didn't even make it to the playoffs. They did it! So crazy. Oh. You hit the car, there you go. Okay, the lioness, let's start this one.
No, really? The circle?
I should move back. Okay, go, hurry up.
Yeah, you have to move back there.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Oh,
That's my mom right there. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
That's my mother. All right. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Hey you. Happy Mother's Day.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I love.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Good night. Happy Mother's Day to everybody and to my wife. Love you.
Even if the sky is falling.
Alright. Peace.
Yo.
Cheese.